whispers of tomorrow go through the fields of endless light. Footprints fade where hope will lead. Echoes of a muted fight, where whispers of tomorrow go through the fields of endless light. Footprints fade where hope will lead. Echoes of a muted fight. Soon will bloom a tender seed. Hold on, love, the dawn will rise. Cast away the fears we keep. Softly now, the muted fight. Soon will bloom a tender seed. Clouds drift in a gentle dance. Silent prayers and winds untamed. Oh, the world in golden trance. Night and day forever framed. Hear the distant voices call. Harmony of sky and sea. In their song we find